I promised you some time ago that I would show you how I shoot in XPan mode with 35mm film on this Mamiya RZ67, and that is exactly what we'll do today. So let's get on with it. So here we have my Mamiya RZ67, which I have shown you images shot in XPan mode or in wide format, and today I'll show you how I do that. First of all, as you can probably see in here, the viewfinder has some masks, so I can actually see what's in the frame, and I can also see somewhat of what is outside, so I can sort of recompose if I think something is important for my framing. So that's one factor, that's having this. I will leave a link in the description to where I got this frame, and also I got the files for it because I have printed it on my 3D printer back here. And also these two knobs that go on to the 35mm spool, which are also necessary in order to do what we do now. So let's have a look at this. Here I have my film magazine, and I open here, and as you can see, I'll put this away a bit. As you can see here, I have a film spool with some leader, and this leader is taken from 120 film. So I've actually cut this to the width. I've cut this to the width of the 35mm film, but it's from 120 film. So it has the markings, as you can see here, the start mark and stuff like that. And what does it say here? Kodak Ektar. It's from a Kodak Ektar film, so a color film of some sort. And what we do now is that, I just have to roll this again. What we do now is that we take this film with the leader, and I have a tape onto it here, which I'll use to connect it to my film here. This is a 𝘱𝘳𝘦𝘴𝘴 black and white film, 100 ISO film. I'll cut this part of the film away, so I have a straight edge like this, and then I'll do like this and open the tape here so I can connect these two things together. This one can be used several times. Of course, you cannot use it for extended periods of time, but it can be used several times. And I glue it onto this again. Oh, it has to be done better, so it's more even. But now it's fine. So it sticks to both sides of the film. And now we'll push this inside the cassette. It can be a bit hard, but it's possible to do it. Can be a bit hard, especially as I wasn't very good at doing this time, but we have to wind now, and then, ooh, it's tough. Maybe I'll do better here. Then we wind all the film, or the leader it is, into the cassette. It is a bit tough, but it works pretty well. So here's the end of it, and now we have to actually take a bit out again. Now these two come into play. These are put in here with the one with the long end, where there's a hole into the cassette. Put this one in there, and the other one as here where you have the sticking out part of the cassette. This one fits in here, and now it's the same width as the 120 film. So we put this onto this side of the film chamber, and take this one onto the other side, put the film spool into place. You just have to fit it onto the roller here, and then we put this inside. Oh, it's not that easy. It's a bit fiddly, but when you've done this job, you save yourself a lot of film, because that's exactly what it's all about. You could load this film directly onto the spool, but then when you advance the camera, you lose the first like 2 or 3 frames. Well, wide frames, so that's not like 35mm frames, but wide frames like the XPan format, the 65mm, because it's 3 full images like this that are actually rolled away and is unusable. Notice how I've placed this one, so that you actually, because it winds around this way, you get the emulsion side turning against the lens, and that's exactly what we want. So now you put this one into the camera or into the magazine and close this one, and now we are ready. So we can now advance the film until we feel that there's some resistance, and the film chamber now shows 1. And now we are ready to go. The film is loaded, and as you can see, the camera is ready to shoot. So let's go and do some more images. Well, I hope you liked this little demonstration of how I shoot this camera, both loading the film and saving some film, because I use a leader from 120 spool, but also that this camera can make very nice images. The lenses are sharp, the camera is working well, though it's an old camera, but it's a solid beast and it will work probably for many years from now. So please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button on this video so others can find it, and you also help me create more content for you. Thank you very much for this time, and bye for now.